from Our Skate Life. I've been meaning to do this video for a long time because I wanted to share with you how I stay fit while I clean. We're gonna start with the bathroom. So first we're gonna make everything wet. Everything is rinsed and wet. This is how we start. Circling. We're gonna start doing this in circle motions while you tighten your abs, and you press a little bit against the glass or the tiles. You press in circles. The tighter the circles, the more you work out. Small and fast circles. If you can see me, you're squatting, cleaning, and change your hands. This is actually harder than the gym. Everything you do, you press. It's like if it's really, really dirty and you really want to get the dirt out. Now I'm going to do the door. But switch the arms around. The more dirt, the better it is for your body. So think about it that way. So our second exercise is vacuuming. I have carpet on the second floor, so if you don't have carpet, I'll be doing a video on sweeping, but it involves the same technique as vacuuming. We're going to be passing through, I'm sure you know how to vacuum, but we're gonna do short little passes through, and you're gonna be feeling your abs, because you're gonna always tighten your abs again, where you're gonna feel your arm, a little bit of your back, and if you want to make it harder, you can add some squats in between, or you can actually lower yourself in a squat position and do it. Swinging back and forward. It's gonna look something like this. Turn it on. And if you want to squat, squat. Exercise, I am going to be sweeping my staircase. Because I do have carpet, then it's much of a workout. I decide to sweep instead of vacuum. Vacuum I do maybe once in a while, but I feel like I get more workout with this. I'm going to show you how I tighten my abs, a little bit of shoulder, biceps, and we can add some legs as well. Tighten the top one and tighten the bottom while you tighten your abs. And squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Short ones. You can also add a squat if you want to make it harder. You sweep, sweep, change hands. And then the left one is harder for me. Well, we got to do both arms. watching. That was all for today. That was as much as this little one let me do today. But I'll be doing some more videos. I wanted to give a shout out to my other half of our skate life that's in London, Emily England. We miss you, and Michaela misses you too, she said. And we wish we could be doing this together, but hopefully soon. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and